everybody, Lumiastream here from Lumiastream. We are so excited to present to you guys in 9.0 text-to-speech AI. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up everything, including the extension on Twitch. Head over to Lumiastream, scroll down to the core tab, and inside you will see text-to-speech voices. You can scroll through all of the voices we already have, or you can create your own. But let's get back to that. For now, let's just say you want to add SpongeBob. Click on the use button and it'll generate 4 options for you. You can use AI TTS in chat commands, channel points, Twitch extensions, or kick points. We highly recommend that you use our Twitch extension. You'll notice on this option that it says quota free. If you charge 100 bits or more, you will not be charged your character limit. Our free members will receive 10,000 characters each month, and our premium users receive 20,000 characters a month. With this being said, you can also top up. You'll see in this tab which subscription tier you are, how many characters you have left, how many voices you have left, and top up options. When you click on top up, you'll see that for an extra $1, you can get 5,000 characters. For 34,000 characters, it costs you $5. For $10, you get 70,000 characters. Please note that these don't expire, so if you don't use them in a month, that's okay, they'll just carry forward. Let's head back and let me show you how to use our Twitch extension. In this section, you can choose how many bits it costs for somebody to use your text-to-speech. Once again, 100 bits or more will not use your monthly quota. However, if you do set it to 99 bits or less, you will see this warning pop up, letting you know that this is now going to use your monthly quota. It will also tell you in this section how much you have left. Once you've set your amount, hit done, and we're moving on to the next step. You're going to scroll up in the side tabs under Twitch extension. From there, you're going to be able to see that new command where it's created. Let's go ahead and make sure that your audio is being routed correctly. Click on the pencil button to edit your command. Click on TTS. From here, you're going to have 2 different options. First, of course, make sure your text-to-speech is enabled. Then you can choose whether the text-to-speech is going to be played on an overlay or not. If you don't want an overlay, don't click that on. Hit done, save and complete. The next step you need to take is scroll down to your configurations under general settings. From here, make sure that your text-to-speech output device is chosen. Now let's just say you want this to work on an overlay. Go back to edit your command and click on the button play TTS on an overlay by default. Hit done, complete, and save. Now we're going to head over back to the core and create an overlay for this. You can either create a new overlay or add the TTS to one you already have. Once you're in the overlay builder, go ahead and hit the add layer button, search up TTS or text-to-speech, and it will be there. It's as simple as clicking on that, and now it's going to add a custom built overlay for you. Of course, you can configure it the way you want, the colors, and all of that style. For this example, let's just keep it generic. The next step is to copy and paste that overlay into your streaming software. Once completed, you can go ahead and hit the test button to see if it works. You'll notice in this example that my audio comes in 2 different sources. I always like to have OBS control my overlay sounds, and because I was forced into doubling, I just muted it so you guys be able to hear it. The next step is very straightforward. You need to download our Twitch extension. You can either use the download Twitch extension tab that we have, or if you go over to Twitch, then you go into your extensions and you can download it that way. But it's a lot simpler if you just use what we have set up for you guys. Once you get redirected to the page, hit the install button. From there, you can go ahead and configure your Lumiastream. Make sure to link your Twitch and Lumiastream for this to work. Then make sure to assign it either as a panel or a component. If you want a test run, you can go ahead and set it to free like I did, and just go ahead and use maybe 1 or 2 words because it is going to use your quota, and make sure that it's working. Afterwards though, don't forget to change it back to how many bits you actually want it to be. Now let's talk about our voice clone feature. If you're using our free version, you're going to have to top up in order to use voice clone. However, if you're a premium user, you will have a limit of 2 clones with an option for top up. Simply hit the voice create button. In this section, you're going to see a very detailed guide on how to prepare your audio. So please make sure you're reading through everything. Once you have everything uploaded, hit the create voice button, and that's how you set up our text-to-speech AI. If you guys have any other suggested features, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe.